This car is all about this sculpturality, but at the same time, super dynamic feeling. I think what a proper SUV has to be. What we want to have in this car is to have this feeling of roll-up car. We want that the car feels bigger and stretched, a bit more voluminous. So what we decide is, if you look at the silhouette of the car, you have this upright front, long bonnet, and this straight and fast roof line. This makes the car feel stretched and bigger than it is.
The design team, we always had in mind to create a welcoming interior. We created by the high value material that we use.
The main volume of the car is created by what we call the UFO line. Is that line passing through the whole car, front and back, and it's dividing the paint volume in two big areas. The area where the light is catching and the area where the shadow is hitting. And this makes the car super sleek, but at the same time sculptural.
The digital stage, with our panorama display from upper class, the graphics are more simple, minimalistic, and user-friendly. For the first time, Audi is integrating the shifter in the column. Now we have the possibility to bring more usability to the customer.
The front basically is all about this sporty, but at the same time dominant feeling. You have the lamps, they are pretty thin, also positioned pretty high and upright.
We try to create a stage for the display, combining ambient light and market lights and of new fabric filled lights. We bring to the customer function and emotional lighting in the car to emphasize the design.
We have a topic that we call the flying cabin effect. It's passing through the D-pillar, so the D-pillar is the touch, and it's ending kicking up, creating the spoiler. And this together with the line that describes the rocker that is going the opposite way, giving the really movement and dynamism to the car. We find this really thin and horizontal light band that is ending in these elements that they are vertical. So the brake lamps are vertical, and the whole thing together makes the car feel so unique and so characterful that I think is the highlight of the car. My name is Ramon Seller-Sirvent. I'm team leader exterior design at Audi.
I'm Raúl Cano Terol. I'm interior designer at Audi, and this is the new Audi Q3.